In front of me is Huawei Y6 from 2019, and let me show you secret codes that you can use on this device. So at first you have to open your phone dialer, because this is the place where we'll be entering those codes. And let's start with the first one, which is *pound, *pound, 0000, pound asterisk, pound asterisk. And as you can see here, you opened about phone, so if you would like to check model, build number, hardware version, email numbers, and so on, smoothly enter this code and you will be provided with all details regarding your device, this Huawei Y6. So that will be all for the first one. Another code that you can use is *pound, *pound, 426, pound asterisk, pound asterisk. And here we've got the diagnostic mode, where you can check events and also status. And if you want to explore it more, if you would like to activate advanced view, just tap on the more icon and select advanced view. So here you've got some further details. Now let me go back. Another code that you can use here is *pound, *pound, 225, pound asterisk, pound asterisk. And here, as you can see, you've got the calendar info, the calendar details. So if you will enter this code, you will be able to check all upcoming events, all celebrations, anniversaries that you have included in your device, in your Google Calendar. And from now on, you will not forget about any of them. Smoothly enter this code and be reminded about those events. So let me go back. And another code that you can use, super useful one and a bit longer, it is *pound, *pound, 284, 657, 9, pound asterisk, pound asterisk. And here we've got the project menu, where you can check background settings, version information, network information query, software upgrade, you can perform factory restore, and you can check battery charge. So if you would like to reach any of those modes, smoothly click on background settings, for example, and here you can check USB port settings. You can smoothly change it by tapping on the particular switcher. If you would like to change AP lock, do it the same way. Also background debug, it's working all the same. Then if you want to see what variant information hides, so smoothly enter it and check version info, manufacturer info, other details, and also verify key. You just have to enter the password here. Then you can check network information, so do the same stuff, just click on it and then you'll be provided with details. Under software upgrade, you will be able to upgrade your memory card. Here you can reset your device, so just click and then confirm that you would like to do it. And under battery charge, you can check the battery details, so the battery level and temperature. And that would be all for this code. As you can see, it's super useful and it hides plenty of very nice tricks and infos. And the last code that I would like to share with you, it is super quick. It's *pound, 06 pound. And this one will provide you with both email numbers and also serial number assigned to your Huawei Y6 from 2019. And that would be all. These are all codes that I wanted to show you today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.